Yeah. This is live from Johannesburg CBD. Oh yeah, Tremu Johannesburg CBD. One of the dangerous areas in South Africa. Kana wakabvunza vanhu vari kuJohannesburg vakaudza kuti ndandiri muHebrew, they will tell you kuti nzvimbo yachona haite, iri very dangerous. Ndonzvimwe nzvimbo dzaunogona kungonzwa pfuchukurira at any time, but hatiregedze kuita basa because upenyu hwomunhu huri mumaoko maMwari. And this does not mean kuti tinofanira kunge tiri reckless on our lives. It's very dangerous, to be honest, but it's ripabasa, and we have to help our community, and we have to assist the Zimbabwean community. So yeah, we are repatriating the late Mrs Bvukurisu. I think I've danyora starachona chaizo vakashaika. I think last week, vakashaika, I think it's on the day before the Christmas, 2 days before the Christmas. We are repatriating the deceased. She's going to Mabuku in Harare, Zimbabwe. Ndangoti mongo wanamatirao vakasiya murume nevana. Nenyaya yemachallenges ekuti wakaenda kuZimbabwe usina mapapers akakwana unogona kutadza kudzoka. No, ndiri pa live izvozvi. Yeah, ndiri pa live. Yeah, no, it's fine. Challenge iripo ndeyekuti the deceased husband wanted to go kuperekedza mutumbu wemudzimai wake nevamwe vana. Saka vangu vakangotaura kuti Mr. Munetsi, zvangoitika kana tichizonzi tiri kundotadza kudzoka kuZimbabwe, zviri nani, bhodhi aingangoenda yega. And then pavakaenda kundotestwa for COVID, vaenda notestwa nhasi, vakatestwa nhasi, results abuda nhasi, and the results have confirmed that the whole family yangaida kuenda they were tested positive for COVID-19. So based on that, they are not able to go to Zimbabwe. I know kuti zvinhu zvinorwadza kumurume kuti bhodhi yemukadzi woenda nayo, vana vangu vada kutiwo bhodhi yamai iende, but results auya ari positive kuvanhu vese vangu vachida kuenda. So let's just pray for them kuti Mwari avasimbise munguva dzakadai dzatiri kurarama. Ndio upenyu hwachona. And then I also just want to apologize to some of our family members. Kuti we might have some delays in doing my repatriations. We are trying our level best to make sure kuti my bodies enyu asvika as soon as possible in Zimbabwe. Ndongokumbura kuti munzwisise, and this is coming from the deepest of my heart. Pane vana vachona vatravela vabva kuEastern Cape of the deceased vada kuona body. Saka they are very young. Vamwe vangu vari kuRustenburg vatadza kuuya ndio vatestwa positive, but kune vamwe vasvika vanzi abva kuEastern Cape. Angokumbira kuti please ndisati maenda Mr. Munetsi, ndingokumbira kuti ndida kuona mwana mai vangu. Saka that's why muri kuona tiri kuita live at this time. It's a bit late. Ndio vanhu vachonera. Ndimuda kuita board viewing. Ndimi akafirwa na mama wake ndewapi? You are the one. Oh, okay. How old are you? 16. All right. Imimti mama wayani mampereketa. Huh? Oh, you don't speak Shona. This one you don't speak Shona. So you want to see your mom? Oh, okay. So she accompanied you from Eastern Cape. Okay, no problem. I'll let my guys prepare because the body is already in the car. They are going to take out from the car and then I'll let you see her. Okay. And I heard that you guys have got a problem with the accommodation. Is it sorted out? Not yet. Okay. I'll try to assist. Listo! It's a good boat where they want to see it. By now they're going to boat. Can you prepare it? Alright. Sharp. Okay, I'll assist you. Yeah. No, we don't change. I'll assist them. I know Rustenburg now it's late. We'll see what we can do to help them. Alright. Yeah, so this is the current situation. Kuti wachona avakure. I think the flight yake yasvika 6 o'clock from Eastern Cape to Johannesburg. Saka vakumbirisa kuti tokumbira kuti mwana angaonawo mai vake vasati vaenda. Sanongokudza ndezvekuti mabasa atinoita, it's not about making money, but they put us in my situations kuti they have to test our spiritual life. I will tell you kuti aperekedzwa neshamwari yake kubva ku Eastern Cape to Johannesburg, and from Eastern Cape to Johannesburg vaflyer and flight yavo yanonoka kusvikira, I don't know. Now they don't have a transport to go to Rustenburg. I think from Johannesburg to Rustenburg, I think it's 3 hours or 4 hours. They vachangosvika. Havana transport, they don't have anywhere to sleep. So we'll try our best as a company to make sure that we know something. Yeah, I know guys, you are worried about Nyaye mask, but where I am at the moment, I still believe it is safe. Kashinji kachona, takapinda pa live, and takapfeka mask, you won't be able to hear me. Yeah. So yeah, this is the story that we are going through at the moment. Yeah, vamwe suggesta kuti vanhu avigwe muno muSouth Africa, but the challenge ndeyekuti wakavigwa muno muSouth Africa, especially kuna anonzi ma public grave, ndezvekuti pawaisa munhu ipapo pane yapoiswa mumwe munhu pamusoro futi. People are worried about my mask, guys. Ndinayo mask yangu, ndinayo. It's a new one, asanda tomboipfeka. Saka ndo nyaya yachona. And I also want to apologize kune mamwe ma family members edu, mamwe clients edu, kuti it's not our wish to delay my repatriations. Please, this is coming from the deepest of my heart. Deepest of my heart. Do not watch when you cry, when you feel the pain, I also get that same pain. There are certain things that are beyond our control, whereby motikari inogona kufa on the road. Murikona ma challenges a border, kuti border rakavarwa and so on and so on. This is a very difficult and a painful time to the entire company, to everyone. I know kuti kune imwe boat yasimba rush that has delayed. The car yakaita 3 breakdown in Zimbabwe. Zvatisati experience before. The first breakdown takagadzira, the second breakdown, the third breakdown again. We really don't know what is happening. So my families, I feel the pain. Kuungana kwa makaita, understand that we are making sure kuti board yasvika ku Zimbabwe as soon as possible. And kunema bodies ari mu road, please just be patient with us. Ari kusvika, ari kufamba zvichanaka. And it, yeah, in case of my cases a COVID, I don't want to lie to you guys, the number is increasing daily in South Africa. Mafurities edu akatozara nevanhu vazhinji vakafa nema COVID cases. And it, yeah, I wouldn't want this 16-year-old girl to come on camera, but she's behind me. She's being comforted by a friend. She's really in pain, I can see. and I was not gonna advise her to do the boat viewing because she's behind me now and I can see that she's being comforted by a friend. So yeah, this was just a feedback to people. The service yakechi, I always try my best to give a very quick service to my clients. Ango guys, Ndima kabata openyu wenyu. As the CEO of the company, there's no way that I can treat my clients very bad. I want my clients to get the best service at all the time. Saka, we are in a very difficult time. I will give you an example. The challenge now in Zimbabwe, from Masvingo to Harare, my shops ese akavarwa. You can't buy a cool drink on the road. You can't buy sadza on the road. It's empty, it's quiet. If you get a breakdown there, you can't go and buy my spare parts in motorcar. You can't do anything. You have to wait for someone to come from South Africa, from Beitbridge. No one is able to assist you. And especially if you're a driver, you get stuck on the road. The moment people, they know that wakachakura chituna, no one wants to come closer to you for different reasons. So this is a very difficult and a trying time for the company. My diaries, I really need your help. I really need your support during this difficult moment. I don't want to betray you guys. The trust that you have, the belief that you have. You always refer your family members, kutibata mkomamo voice, tafirwa, and so on. And I don't want to disappoint people who support my business. The reason why yamunoshandaneni is because you have seen my service. Muvandichitanga and kukura kwese kwandiri kuita ndimi makabata isosho mukitoti ndisimuke. So please, just be patient with us. It's tough. From Beitbridge to Masvingo, you don't know kuti ma roadblocks achona mangani. Too many roadblocks. Again, that story kuti driver ari kufamba ari ega ari by one. I will tell you about Mr. Nyat. He's stuck. It's the second or third day on the road. Akatakura board. No one is willing to help him. It's tough. But with God, all things are possible. So I can pray for me, pray for my staff who are doing this kind of job, guys. I feel sorry for all these guys that are behind me, the morticians. They are risking their lives. They have to remove them from the hospital. They have to do all the things. And when they go back home, they've got wives, they've got kids. And some of them, they don't get a very good reception from their friends, their relatives. But they have to earn a living. So, right, we'll be there. Old mucho yakatanga say yakatango me matangira ndrukuita moonlight. I know kutindrukukura through your support and through your blessings and it. So thank you very much, my diaries, for all the support. SIS MELLY ne team rese ma admin kwakango siana. We will save the Zimbabwean community. Kuna wamwe achiri kungoyo wachita vana mari. Kuna vandifonera vachiti vane 5,000 only already. Afirwa mukadzi afirwa nemurume wake ku Cape Town. Boti da kuendeswa ku Zimbabwe. It's a COVID case. And avabvunza kuti mune mari vati vane 5,000 rands chete. And for a COVID case we need almost up to 30,000 because the coffin that you put is very expensive. Yesterday ndinokumana wakandi approacha vakandiudza kuti hanzi tine mombe kumusha. Hanzi chete dzandoza tinokwanisa. Maomero upenyu. Times are hard, but we will overcome. And it. Thank you very much. May the Lord richly bless you. Your prayers are needed. Vamwe susu hatisi kuti kupfeka mask kunoti safer upenyu hwedu every day. Yes, we put my measures. I have to take my vitamins every day. I have to monitor every day and so on. But thank you very much, my diaries. This is Munetsi.